Good evening, friends. Welcome to Investments and Trading channel. Now we are going to discuss on Bank Nifty analysis for tomorrow's trading session. We will discuss initially regarding our yesterday's analysis. In the yesterday's analysis, I have clearly mentioned 35,540 to 550 is a very good resistance, and if the market sustains here and goes up, then we can have a CE call, and the target is around 150 to 200 points. And if you see the today market, the market went around 35,700 to 720, which is our exact level. And I mentioned to take a CE call. Who has taken the CE call here, they have earned the profit of 2,500 to 3,000 rupees very easily. This is the analysis of yesterday's video, and now we are going for the today analysis. And I opened the 5 minutes chart today. For tomorrow's analysis, now we start with the gap down case. In the gap down case, the main level is 35,560 to 570. If there is a gap down and market sustains at 35,570, then we can have a up move, and the up move is up to 35,700 as similar to yesterday. And if again it crosses the 35,700, then we can see the levels after 35,750, and the levels are 35,850, 36,000 and 36,100 as I said yesterday. And another case was, if the market didn't sustain at 35,570 level, then we can see a gap down, like fall in the market. And the fall is initial support we have in the market at 35,420 to 450 level. If it sustains there, then we can see the support there, and there is a sideways market in the movement. But if it doesn't sustain, then we can see our main pivot level at 35,240 to 250. This is the level where even last 2 days the market has taken the support. So after 35,570 we can have two cases. One is CE and another one is PE, based on the market situation tomorrow. This is the case in the gap down. Now we are going for the gap up case. In the gap up case, if market opens above 35,700, we should wait, and we should wait for a dip, and the dip up to 35,650 means that is the today's closing level. If market sustains at 35,650 levels, then we can take a CE call clearly, which will give returns similar to yesterday. And above 35,650, then we can have a targets up to 35,720, 35,850, 36,000 and 36,100, which will give very good returns if it sustains at 35,650. If it doesn't sustains, there is another case, that is again the previous pivot level 35,575 to 570. Here we can see a support, and from here it can go up to the exact level similar to the 36,100. And now we are going to the flat opening. Flat opening is very important, and usually the market opens in the flat cases. And if you see here, the market currently closed at 35,650, and in the flat opening we have two cases. After flat opening, if market comes down till 35,570 and sustains, then you can take a CE call. And in the another case, if the market opens at 35,650, and if it goes above 35,700, then only you can take the CE call. Till that time the market will be in sideways. These are the two cases. But if market doesn't sustain the 35,570 level, we can see a fall. But as per my suggestions, I am suggesting the market will be in the sideways, so we will lose our premiums. Better if the market doesn't sustain 35,575 level, then the market will go under sideways and we can avoid the market for the day, and it's better to go for stock specific actions. That's all about our bank nifty analysis for today. Finally, coming to the disclaimer, when you are planning for a trade as per my suggestions, kindly consult your advisor to confirm the trade, and please like and subscribe my channel for making more videos. Thank you.